Assalamu alaikum. I'm Luqman Qaida and this is Shaykhi Academy. In today's episode, inshallah, we will discuss two similar Arabic sounds which are qaf and kaf. We will know their points of articulation and what is the difference between them. So, stay tuned.
Shaykhi Academy.
This is just to remind you that we are explaining using Al-Minhaj book, the official book of Shaykhi Academy. So we will discuss now these two letters, Al-Qaf and Al-Kaf. Qaf and Kaf. Okay, so what is the point of articulation of Al-Qaf and Al-Kaf? Al-Qaf is pronounced by making the back of the tongue touches a soft palate, while kaf from both soft and hard palate. Okay, so let's discuss and explain this. First point, this is the back of the tongue. We know it. We divide the tongue into three types: head part, middle part, and back part. Head part, which is the nearest to the mouth. Okay, and the back part is the nearest to the chest or the throat. Okay, and the middle is between them. So the back part is what's meant here. So we pronounce letter kaf and qaf using the back of the tongue, which is this part. Okay, so now we want to also to know what is the soft palate and what is the hard palate. Okay, the area that's opposite to the back part, part of it is the soft palate and part of it is the hard palate. So we can put this dot, okay, as a point that determines the soft palate, and we can put this part as the point that determines the hard palate. Okay, the hard palate is the hard part that's opposite to the back of the tongue, but the soft palate, it is furthest from the mouth, and it's also the opposite part of the back of the tongue. So here letter qaf is pronounced by making the back of the tongue touches the soft palate. Okay, so this back of the tongue will touch here the soft palate. So this is letter qaf. Okay, and letter kaf will make the back of the tongue touches the both soft and hard palate. So it will touch the part of this and part of this. This is letter kaf. Okay, so now we want to say what is the common things between letter qaf and letter kaf. The common thing is that both of them, the back of the tongue, it touches what? It touches the qaf is pronounced by making the back of the tongue touches the soft palate, and al-kaf from the soft and hard palate. So the common thing is that the back of the tongue touches the soft palate, because the back of the tongue touches the soft palate, we pronounce al-qaf here and al-kaf also. Okay, but the difference is al-kaf is also, the back of the tongue is also touches the hard palate with the soft palate. Okay, so this is the first main difference. The second difference also is letter qaf is a heavy letter, while letter kaf is a light letter. And we said before that the heavy letter means that the back of the tongue is raised, and a light letter, the back of the tongue is not raised. Okay, so this is the second difference between al-qaf and al-kaf. So qa, the back of the tongue touches the soft palate, and the back of the tongue is raised also. Qa, ka, which is the lower kaf, the back of the tongue touches the both soft and hard palate, but is not raised. Ka, ka. So this is the difference between these two letters. They look so similar, but the difference between them is the back of the tongue touches the soft palate for letter qaf and soft and hard palate for letter kaf. And also the second difference is letter qaf is a heavy letter while letter kaf is a light letter. So now alhamdulillah we came to the end of this episode. So if you have any question, just let me know in the comment section below, and see you inshallah in the next episode. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. Now we came to the end of this episode. So if you want to follow up the next episodes, consider subscribing. Also, if you want a qualified Quran tutor, whether for yourself or your kids, we are providing online Quran classes. Don't forget to check out our app. See you inshallah in the next episode. Assalamu alaikum.
Shaykhi Academy. Learn and enjoy.